guys, just want to provide you just some new updates in the Corvette world for all my Corvette lovers that are interested in renting Corvettes, learning more about Corvettes. Myself.
2020 vision, I want all the loot. I'm talking Beamer all clean, fit too mean, finger all shiny on my baby's diamond ring. I was on a high till I caught onto the scene. Swear I lost my heart when I fell in love with things. Rookie year went broke like Jalen Rose. Got the price, sold my soul to the things I own. Switched up, locked in and got my mind right. Prioritizing, got my business and my time right.
What is up, Innovation family? How's everybody doing tonight? My name is Brandon, owner of Innovation Property Atlanta, back for another video. As always, guys, before we jump into this, I want you guys to like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so you guys are alerted and updated when I drop out new videos. So guys, just want to provide you just some new updates in the Corvette world for all my Corvette lovers that are interested in renting Corvettes, learning more about Corvettes, such as myself, as I'm still in the market trying to get a C8, which is not going to happen, by the way, guys, anytime soon. So I'm probably still maybe a year away from getting a Corvette, maybe a little bit sooner, depends on how the list goes as far as the MSRP price and all that good stuff on the new boys, 2022s, 23s. But today's video is going to be on the new C8 Corvette E-Ray. So if you guys haven't seen it yet, they released a video doing a test run of an E-Ray over in Germany, along with a C8 Z06. Just doing like a drive. They were doing like a driving experience with the people that work over there in that facility. And if you guys don't know about the E-Ray is just another version of the C8 Corvette, but it's all electric. So similar to the way the world's going right now as far as cars, with the Teslas and a lot of the cars people want now are going to be either hybrids or all electric, because it's going to be able to save money on gas, along with being friendly to the environment too. So electric is the way of the world, and electric cars are actually pretty fast, believe it or not. They're probably way faster than most gas cars. Even a regular, you think a soccer mom Tesla can easily beat a sports car if they know what they're doing as far as how to drive it. Electric cars are crazy fast. So you can imagine what the E-Ray Corvette's gonna look like, what they're gonna do as far as their numbers on the track. It's probably gonna be a little bit faster than the Z06 if I had to guess. I know it's gonna come up with a V8 engine. I think they're guessing like 600 plus horsepower for the E-Ray. I don't know all the specs yet. I'm just looking at the videos myself and learning more about the car. But you guys check out the track run. Let me know what you guys think. They're gonna have right now with the Z51, which is the one I'm leaning towards getting. It's gonna be the Z51. And also they're gonna have the E-Ray Z06. And from my understanding too, in the future, they may come out with the Zora, which is like the Mac Daddy version of the C8. And also one of my favorites is gonna be the C8R, which is the racing version of the Z51. Has a high wing spoiler, the racing stripes that go from the hood all the way to the back. So Corvette, man, they C8s are scorching. They're on top of their game. So you got to give a shout out, a salute to all the engineers over at C8 and the executives for making the call and making such a beautiful car that's high in demand, that's still selling out from the factory. So you're still on the wait list if you want to order one. But check out the presser though, guys, as far as the update on the C8 E-Ray. So let me know what you guys think.